Speed the Sauceman here. I'll tell you what, today we're going to cook up some goodies with our Cookies Korean barbecue stir fry and wing sauce. Mighty tasty. I'll tell you what, it goes good in stir fries, it goes good on wings, goes good on ribs, pulled pork, salmon, shrimp, you name it. But today what I'm going to be doing, a stir fry, and you can do it whatever you like for vegetables. Now today I've got onions, celery, carrots, red and green peppers in here. You can add water chestnuts. I like to add a little bit of pineapple chunks to it. If you like broccoli, you can add that to it. So I'll tell you what, we'll get going here and start cooking. I'll add the wonderful sauces, and for protein you can use beef, pork, or chicken. Got our chicken in there. I cooked the chicken ahead of time, and what makes the meat a lot crisper is I like to give it a light coating of cornstarch before I stir fry it, and stir fry it in a little sesame oil, and just heat it through until it's just done, and then pull it out, or you can add your veggies right on top of it. The nice thing about our Korean barbecue stir fry and wing sauce, you know, I've used stir fry for years and love it, but it's so much work by the time you add all the ingredients together. This way it's all here in one bottle. This is the only thing you have to use, is just use this. We've got that heating up. Now we'll add a cup of our Korean sauce to it. Stir that through, then once that gets heated through real good, we'll just serve it over a nice bed of rice noodles. Then I add about a half a cup to a cup of pineapple, and that's just personal preference. I think it just gives it a nice tang. So we'll stir that through and just let that warm up, and then we'll throw it over a bed of rice and we're good to go. Now we'll scoop some of these goodies up here over this rice. To get the recipe for this and other great Korean ideas with our sauce, just go to our website, cookiesbbq.com.